Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's a whole new lighting. I'm so excited to finally have a good lighting in here because now when I wait too long I have good lighting. And if you notice anything different about the audio or the quality, it's because I got a new camera for Christmas. And I got a ring light, so shout out to my parents for that. So yeah, tell me you guys if you really notice a really big difference, because the camera came with the microphone and the ring light. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about that. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a tutorial. Finally, I know it's been a while, but finally today I'm going to be finally doing a tutorial on the Morphe X James Charles palette. I'm super excited for this. Like, I cannot wait to try it. I've seen so many people using it and I'm just so excited to try it. So this is what it looks like if you haven't seen it already. Very, very beautiful colors. Like, I just want to do, I'm going to take off my makeup from the day, but I just want to do something fun. Like maybe dig into that pink or even the purples or the blues. I don't know, just something good. So it comes with all the shade names. And it also, I don't know if you can tell, but right there on the front it says Unleash Your Inner Artist. So yeah, I'm super excited for this. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go in with, first I'm going to go with the shade Canvas, which is this like very nude, almost skin color shade. Okay, so I'm going to go into the shade Canvas first, which is that very nude shade right up here in the corner. And I'm just going to put that all over to kind of give myself a blank canvas in the sense. And I'm just going to take it all the way up. Because I know I had like red eyeshadow on earlier. I mean, like, even the nude is pigmented, so I mean, can't be that bad. I'm being very messy with this just because it's just a nude shade. I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so now that we are up close and personal and you can see every little crevice, dent, and everything. There's that scar I was telling you guys about in previous videos about how it catches pigment. But anyways, so I'm just taking that nude shade and just kind of putting it everywhere. And then now I'm going to take the shade Punch Me, which is this shade right here on that same brush. And I'm just going to stick it right in the crease. Just to kind of deepen it up just a little bit. But nothing too crazy. And then I'm going to take the shade 10% Off, which is in the big shade, which is that dark brown right there. Sorry, that was not a very good way of telling you. It's this shade right here. Sorry, I'm left-handed, so doing anything with my right hand is not ideal. So I'm going to take that shade 10% Off and I'm just going to pack it into that outer corner right there. Just going to give, I'm really just setting a base. You don't have to go through all of these steps. I just like to have a set of colors to blend into whenever I start my makeup, because I find that it helps tremendously. So I'm not really like blending that out very well because I'm trying to save it for the colors later. Ooh, that looks rough. But as you guys can see, these are very pigmented colors. Alright, so then I want to take, what do I want to do? What should I do, you guys? Okay. I'm definitely going to take a fluffier blush. definitely gonna take a fluffier brush, and I think I'm gonna use the shade. I'm gonna go in with that light purple shade called Single. There you go. Very light purple. And I'm gonna take that on this Icon fluffy brush right here. So it's not focusing on me. That. And I'm just gonna kind of swirl the brush around in it. Picks up quite a bit off the brush. And then I'm just gonna put that in the crease. I think I'm gonna do a purple look today. If you couldn't tell, I'll definitely clean up the edges a little bit. I can show you my trick for that. What was that? Yeah, that was gross. Okay, so then I'm just gonna keep taking that shade and building it up slowly because I don't want the color to kind of like appear all over my face. And once I feel like I don't have a lot of product left, I'm just gonna kind of rub it all up. Okay, now I'm gonna take that shade Escape, which is the darker purple right there. And I'm gonna take it on that same brush just so it does that. And it also picks up quite a bit. So yeah, now I'm gonna kind of keep that in this outer portion first. And then whatever's left, I'm just gonna kind of drag to the front very, very lightly. I'm going with the very light hand with this. I just want it to be kind of good because this palette is like crazy good. Morphe has really good palettes though. And then whenever I feel like I don't have anything left really, I'm just gonna kind of blend. And there you go. Alright, so I cleaned it up a little bit and I kind of decided I wanted to do more of like a wing effect going on there. And then, so now I'm going to take a different brush, more of like a very dense brush for this one. So I'm going to be taking this brush right here, and this is the Airbrush Crease Brush by It Cosmetics. And I'm going to take, what else should I do? So yeah, I'm going to take that very dense brush, and I'm going to take the shade Skip, which is probably like the most iconic shade of the whole palette, and it's that one right there. And I'm gonna put that, wow, look at that. I'm gonna put that in the inner portion, just like this. And I'm just combining the pink and the purple together in the middle, because you know how I like drag the purple here. Now I'm just kind of keeping the pink in the middle, like that. Okay. So now I definitely want to use, what do I want to use? I'm going to kind of cut the crease a little bit to give myself a blank space. And I'm going to use that shade Flashback for this. And just the very white shade right there. My friend Megan actually uploaded a video using the eyeshadow trick for cut creases. She just kind of like took... Sorry, I can't wink with this eye. She just kind of took the white shade like that. and just cut the crease. Kind of like that. Then you don't have that whole concealer mess. Which this is actually my new preferred way. Because it makes things so much easier. So this, if you guys can tell, I'm sure you can, whenever I put it on, it's very like chunky. And I don't know if that's just me or if anyone else is having that issue. But whenever I'm like putting it on, it's just coming out super chunky. Okay. Whatever. So now I'm going to use the black, which is the shade Spooky, which is that shade right there. And I'm going to use a liner brush for this part. And I'm really just going to kind of line the eyes a little bit. Kind of like you would an eyeliner. And then you can just build it up to make it as black and as sharp as you want. Ooh, Lord. You guys see all that fallout? Oh my god, I just made it worse. Oh my god. I look like I just got punched. Alright, so I think what I want to do now is take like a packing brush, try to go back in with that white, and just kind of clean up that side right there and separate it again. My least favorite shade of the whole palette is definitely the white. It's not really doing it for me. And it's literally just chunks. That's not what I wanted. Okay, so that's about as good as that one's gonna get. I think I'm gonna take another. I'm gonna take a shimmer shade. I'm gonna take that shade Ring Light, which is convenient. Which is the shade right here. You can kind of see that. Yeah, just a little bit. I'm gonna kind of take it And I'm just gonna kind of try. First, I'm gonna do my inner corner because that's gonna be the easy part. And I'm gonna try to pack it in between I definitely should have done this part first. Okay, so I did the best I could with that. I'm going to take a little bit more of that pink shade, just whatever was left on my brush, and just kind of like clean up that edge a little bit because I wanted to wait until the end to do that, to blend it out. And now I'm going to take another fluffy brush, and I'm going to use that same ring light shade that I've been using and highlight the brow bone. Even though now you guys can see how ratchet and crazy my brows look. Alright, so that is the final look. I kind of love it. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is take my eyeshadow C brush by e.l.f. and I'm gonna use, it's this one right here, and I'm gonna use that shade Playground, which is that very vibrant blue. You guys are probably looking at me like, just stop while you're ahead. But I'm going to take that shade and I'm going to put it in my under eye. So the shadows definitely have some fallout to them. If you guys can't see me like constantly wiping away. So yeah, there is, oops. This is my final look. Let me zoom out. This is my final look for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. And I really hope you guys go out and buy this palette because it is really good. They just have some fallout. And that white shade is kind of chunky, so I'm not really a fan of that. But this palette is really good, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm definitely going to be recording more videos way more often and way better now that I've got something to actually help me with my quality, because I know whenever I come into my bathroom, it's like terrible quality. I see the videos too, and I sit there and judge it probably just as hard as you do. But yeah, so yeah, let me give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you guys want to see next. So yeah, I got a couple videos planned out for you guys since it has been a while. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see next, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.